We are here now waiting to ride the Dollywood Express. The wait is a little long, but we are now inside the carousel and we should be on the next train. All aboard!
Now that we're moving, those of you in the last few cars, look off to your left in the middle of the depot and wave goodbye to our depot masters Bradley and Chris. Tell them we'll be back in a day or two a week at the most, but we've never been gone longer than a week. You guys better wave at us or they'll send us to Chattanooga. Take care of the depot for us.
Okay.
We here in Dollywood are known as the friendliest place in the Smokies, and we here at the train would like to keep it that way. So on the count of three, let's give all these people here at the Village Crossing a great big Southern howdy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Great job, everyone. Side is Dollywood's old-fashioned grist mill. It's home to some of that world's famous cinnamon bread. Once you get done riding the train, stop by and get you loaf or two, because one will make it back to the car. A wave to our conductor Mike over here on the left-hand side, driving the oldest farm across the forest. Tell him to feed the chickens. He forgot to do it last time. Make sure you keep all small children on the inside of each row, please. Thank you. Now you guys sit back, relax, keep on being friendly, and I'll play a little bit of Christmas music. Now folks, let me introduce you to our engine up there. That's engine number 70. She was built in 1938 by the Dollywood locomotive, works out of Eddie's. Our engineer up there, his name's Casey. He's the man responsible for driving us up and down the mountain today. Now Cinderella has arranged throughout the evolution of the park from Silver Dollar City to Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. And are at it over there. It looks very pretty.
So that's where all the lights came in.
Now we here at Dollywood are awful proud of Cinderella, and we'd like to let her show off every now and then. So what do you say? Would you like your engineer Casey play a tune on that Crosby 3-chime whistle? Yeah. All right then, on the count of 3, let's tell him to blow the whistle. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle! How about that? Give him a great big round of applause. How about that?
After all the years of showing my dad and when they got married. So Daddy decided that this was the year that my mother should have a wedding band. And so he told all of us that we could be in on this gift, and what little dowry money he would have spent on us, we let Daddy take it to put in on his ring. And Daddy made us all part of it by hiding the ring, and the one that found it was going to get a special treat. I think it was a box of chocolate candy. Anyway, Daddy hit the ring, we all eloped, Mama had no idea what was going on. One of us found the ring, my brother and I found what it was, but I know it's anyhow, we got the ring, Mama was it, we were also very, very happy. And it was then that I realized that the best Christmas gift is not the one you can see, but the one you give away. So I want to challenge every person out there to give the things they need. The gift's not always simple to buy. The greatest gift is given to us all. We come to blame.
Okay guys, that was the Dollywood Express. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.